Hello guys, welcome to channel today to Little World. Today I'm going to show you my Skittles with, if you put hot water, like it like makes the anchor with colors, like with the Skittles. So the plate has the Skittles in it. So hit that like, subscribe to the channel, comment, give me a lot of subscribers, please. Thank you. Then I'm going to pour this hot water. Parents has to do this, but it's okay. I can try to do it by myself. It's only a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. It's anchoring, but the other side doesn't. Putting that much. Put that moving there. Right now it's like color changing. It's not even moving or anything, but a little bit. Like when it's all done, like then it's gonna turn into brownish color. Right now, oh my god, you have to don't move it. You have to don't move it because it's gonna do it automatically.
Oh, it looks colorful.
Yeah. At least I cannot see the orange color, but it turns into a little yellowish.
You wanna put? What do you wanna put? You wanna put more water, or it's gonna come?
It's You could have to put a little bit of water on the side, but they didn't do that on mine. They don't. Wait, this is like a rainbow!
No. Maybe if you flip it, color change.
Don't flip it.
Yeah, it's become white. Look.
It doesn't even work like that.
Huh? That's how it works.
No.
No?
Then.
Okay.
When I went to do this, it was dinging. This looks like a design. Like this is like cool. Like the plate looks cool. It's almost to the end. Sorry guys. Like this is like a design, but it's a little bit to the end. Little bit. Do you see that little white? But I don't know if the camera cannot see it. But it looks like a design, and it looks cooler. It's like a rainbow. That's so cool. So thanks for watching. Everyone, you should have to try this thing because it turns like the color anchor, like it's like takes out the color. So thanks so much for watching. Bye everybody.